Okay, so in this problem, we're starting to tie everything together. Remember that the first couple problems we did, we said the denominator cannot equal 0, but we also said that anything underneath a radical, an even radical, cannot be negative. So the first thing we want to do is practice what we did in 10, where underneath the radical must be greater than or equal to 0, and we solve. We subtract 5 from both sides. To get negative x has to be greater or equal to negative 5. We divide by negative 1. Remember, when dividing by a negative, you flip the sign to say that x must be less than or equal to 5. So that's part of it. The other part of it is to take what's the denominator and set it equal to 0 and solve. So the square root of 5 minus x equals 0. To get rid of the radical, square both sides. So now you have 5 take away x equals 0. Subtract 5. Flip your sign to get x is equal to 5. So we have two scenarios, okay? I should say actually x cannot be equal to 5 because that's a value we're not allowed to have, right? That's the whole point of taking the denominator and set it equal to 0. So we're saying that it must be less than or equal to 5, but at the same time cannot equal 5. So we have to make the most restrictive environment possible based off our criteria. So what is that? It's just that our domain will be all values less than 5. So we would say all real numbers where x is less than 5. This boxed in answer is, or boxed in work is your answer.